and because I don't know what type of motor is in here, I do not know how best to... It'd be much easier if I could take the housing apart. Yeah. I tried that before, but it was on there very tight, and I thought I couldn't imagine that this was holding it together, but let's find out. Yep, that's what it was. Oh, it is a K55 motor in there.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Remarkable. And then that's good because I can use my K55 trick. It looks very much like a Casablanca K55, so it looks like. I can use my K55 trick to get the flywheel off. This is going to be a pain to put back on. Thank you for that. Odd housing. Okay, no. Moni is stuck in my head. Don't ask me why. I do not know.
Aren't they using it in a commercial now?
That could be it. Yeah, they're using it in a commercial for... I don't remember what the commercial's for, actually. It comes on Hulu. This requires a snap ring pliers, which I have, but I have broken them. Let's see if I have enough remnants. I hate snap rings with a passion. I know if it looks like I removed my broken snap ring pliers with the hopes to never use them again because I hate snap rings. How do you feel about snap rings, Andy?
I'm not particularly fond of them myself.
Okay, well good, we can still be friends. Guys, don't be like me. If you ever need to remove a snap ring, get the proper tools. It's so much easier, and you run less risk of damaging anything, and... Yeah, don't be me. Yeah, these are also used in, among other things, these are used in Fasco World's Fairs. Any Fasco with a flywheel cover uses snap rings. And old GE box fans use snap rings. Okay. Here, Andy, I might have to enlist you, so you might have to put the camera down. What I need is... Wait. Actually, I think I might have it with myself. Nope.
Alright, what do you need to do?
Once I get an opening in there big enough to put the screwdriver in, you put the screwdriver in and you pry it out. How's it coming?
Almost there.
Screwdriver in there?
Yeah, it's in there. There it was. There it is.
You're getting close. Don't put too much pressure on this. We don't want to bend it.
Okay.
There you go. That's thinking. Use your thinking head.
What's there?
There we go. Snap ring removed. Now you want to get a good look at all the balloon remnants. We can see a bit more of them there. Let's finally get to the bottom of them. Oh, legs. Legs. Okay. Now we see
our balloon
the crux of the issue.
there.
Yep.
Look at all that. Goodness gracious.
Yeah. Those are appropriate reactions to this garbage.
So, this was the industry fan, which we did not test.
Correct.
Based on the assumption that it must contain more balloon residue than the other one. Although, after seeing what you removed from the other one, I'm not so sure.
Yeah, this one, unfortunately, the bearing is also stiff, which could be a result of most likely a result of the balloon residue.
Got some rubber up in there.
Yeah. Luckily, WD-40 is a savior in many ways. The downside, of course, using WD-40 is it will make the bearings a little noisier than they would be if they were new. Interestingly, it's still stiff. Freeing up though. This is very, very solid rubber. It's going to take some time for the WD-40 to work it off both the shaft and the other bits.